So now let's implement the sending notification feature. So for that purpose, we have to go to our controllers inside our profile controller. Here we have these three methods, and for these we have to basically implement the sending feature, sending notification feature. So here we can implement a method which will be send notification to user. Now to which user? That is receiver. Okay, so we can say receiver ID, and then the feature type, either it is the favorite notification, like notification, or view profile scene notification. So that thing which we have to pass here to this variable feature type, and then of course the receiver name. And this will be basically not the receiver but the sender name. As you know, the receiver will receive a notification on which the receiver will see the sender name, that is from this user I receive a notification, a push notification. So sender name we have to pass, not the receiver, because the receiver is the person who will receive a notification. So the receiver must see the sender name. Of course we will now implement this, but how we will call it? From the favorite sent and favorite received, when the user mark as favorite, here we have already added this comment, send notification to user, first the receiver ID. So the receiver is the to user ID, okay, and then the feature type is favorite feature, and the sender name is the sender name, okay. Similarly, like sent, like received, inside the else part, when add sent, when a like is sent, so send notification, here the feature type is like. Then view sent, view received. Now first of all, when we say send notification to user, as I told you guys, we have to recognize the user device using its registration token. So already it is saved for each user has its own user device registration token. So we have to get that token here first. So to that specific device we have to send the notification. So we can say string I'm talking about, if you remember, we have saved already the device token, that is to recognize each device we have generated the device token, okay. So the same token we have to get while sending notification. So first we have to get that token. So as you know, we are sending the notification to the receiver, so the receiver ID we need here. So what we will do, we will get it from the receiver data inside the Firestore database under the users collection. The receiver information we get, and we do not need all the information. The thing which we need is only the device registration token. Now we will first check if snapshot dot by the same key name we have saved and by the same key name we have to retrieve here. So the user device token which we are getting for the receiver, if that token exists, okay, if that token exists, so we will simply get that token and we will assign it to a string type variable. so which we already initialize here. To this we will assign it. So inside here we have the device token now. So outside it, now we have to define the notification format. For sending notification, we have a specific format which we have to follow. Notification format. To this notification format method, we will pass some information. For example, the user device token, then the receiver ID, the feature type, either it is like, favorite, or seen, that is view feature, and then of course the sender name. And this method we will implement down here. And you know that here we have to receive these 4 parameters, so I will simply paste that here like this, as you can see. Okay, the 4 parameter we are receiving here.